MsDee. I'm on the playground. Do you miss the playground? I miss you guys on the playground. We're going on a nature walk to find out where spiders and bugs live. They live on leaves. Look, friends, I found the leaves. And bugs and spiders, they live on leaves. And we're walking on the playground, finding where bugs live, finding where bugs live. Where do bugs live? Where do bugs live? Bugs live on the playground. Bugs live all over the playground. And look, friends, I found a stick. Bugs live on sticks. Yes, they do. Bugs also live on little logs. Yes. So I think this will be enough for us to draw and make our paint out of our leaves, our sticks, and our logs. This is where bugs live, friends. I like walking on the playground and playing on the playground and finding bugs and finding leaves and things that bugs live on. I'll be back with you soon, friends. Thank you. This MsDee. Welcome back. I miss you guys. Do you guys miss MsDee? I know you do. Well, after we went on our nature walk and found where the bugs live and where spiders live, you know they live, I remember I told you that they live on leaves, they live on branches, they live on sticks. So we're gonna make another video of the leaves and the sticks and show where the spiders and the bugs live. Let's go, friends. This is very fun. I have my paint, I have my green leaf, and we're gonna make prints of the leaves. Ah, that is so pretty, friends. When you're at home, ask your mom or your dad, can you paint leaves? And send me a video of you painting the leaves. Let's do another one, friend. Look at the leaves. That is so pretty. Now we're gonna make prints of the sticks. Because bugs live on sticks as well. We have our sticks. And bugs also live on logs, friends. Put it here. We have our leaves, we have our sticks, we have our logs. What color am I using today, friends? For my sticks, I'm using red. For my leaves, I'm using green. Aren't green and red some fun colors, friends? Yes. And that's where the spiders live and the bugs live. They live on leaves, they live on sticks, they live on logs. And when you go outside, I want you to look for spiders and bugs on leaves and on sticks, friends. And make a video and send it to me. I would really enjoy watching it. Have a good day.